Okay, let's read it. Okay, dali na. Sit down. Mama will read. This is not a storybook, man. Sige, Mama will just read what's inside. Sit down, Spidey. Who is Peter?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. And what is your complete name?
Namdan Mamaya.
And how old are you, Iliam Glean?
Spider-Man.
How old are you?
Three. My Spider-Man.
3 years old, Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how about when is your birthday?
My birthday is 28.
What month? July.
July 28.
Dali. Peter Parker. Who is Peter Parker?
Spider-Man K.L.
Spider-Man K.L. Was bitten by a radioactive spider to become a superhero Spidey. That's a Spidey's hand, right?
Yeah.
Who is this?
Maggie Hand.
Who is this?
Panther. Black Panther.
Black Panther ba di ay na Black Spidey? It's Miles Morales.
Mike Morales.
And this one is
George Spider.
very good. Ghost Spider. Peter Parker loves science and using his smarts to solve problems. Yeah. And who is this? But it's a robot Spider-Man. It's a robot Spidey named Tracy. Ghost Spider has unbeatable detective skills which he uses to bring the villains to justice. And this bot is called Twirly. While Miles Morales is the youngest of the team, he loves being a hero and uses his unique super spin moves like a twisty. While the Team Spidey quickly closes in on the villains, Spidey is ready to roll in his powerful web crawler. Wow! Wow! And Iron Man and Spidey are in a hot pursuit of the tricky. Who is this? Who is this?
What?
Who is this?
Back.
Green
Jumping.
Goblin. Green Goblin. How about this? Who is this?
Sandman.
Sandman. You're right. And this one is?
Manu. Manoy.
Manoy. Manoy daw ni. Hello, Manoy. No, that is Reptile.
No, Manoy.
Reptile?
Manoy.
Excuse me.
This is Manoy.
That is Reptile. And this one, who is this?
Dr. O.
Dr. Oak. You're right. How about this?
Black Cat.
Black Cat. And this one is?
Black Panther.
Black Panther. And this one is?
Iceman.
Electro. And?
Incredible Hulk.
Incredible Hulk. And that is the end. Yay!
Yay.
Time to sleep. Afternoon nap. Little Spidey, go lay down, little Spidey.
Mama.